Hello kids, how are you all? Fine. My name is Renuka Devi. I am from Upper Public School. I am handling social studies for grade 4. I welcome you all to online classes. In last session, we have started lesson number 4, the Western Desert. What do you mean by desert? A desert is a barren and sandy land which receives less rainfall. A desert is to the west of the northern plain. Where and how does the desert look? You all can see in your textbook, page number 30. Here you can see how the desert looks. The desert look in this way. It is stretched about 800 kilometer long and 500 kilometer wide. It is about 800 kilometer long and 500 kilometer wide. The desert to the north of the Thar Desert is Satluj River Basin, and to the southeast is Aravalli Range, and to the south is Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch is located in Kutch city in Gujarat. It is one of the largest salt marsh in world. Next we will move on to climate. The climate in the desert is very hot and dry. During the summer, it is very extreme in the day, and at night it is very cold. Why is that so? Because the sand gets heated quickly and in the night it becomes cooler. And in winter, it is pleasant in day and very cold during night. And even in last class, we learned about vegetation. In the desert region, the land is very dry. So only few crops can be grown like millet, like jawar, bajra, etc. Yes, for that purpose, only few crops can be grown. And the trees, you can see few trees like scattered bushes and thorny shrubs. And even the plants like fleshy leaves and stems which store water in it. And few plants like kakkar, cactus, etc. So today we will move on to landform. The landform of the Western Desert. As the land is very dry, the land is very dry and gets very less rainfall. Less rainfall. As the land is very dry and gets very less rainfall, and there it is very less little vegetation. So due to soil erosion when occur, the desert has very little hills of sand. The desert has very little hills of sand. They are known as sand dunes and sand storms. What are they known as? Sand dunes and sandstorms are common in the desert place. These sand dunes do not remain in one place. They go on moving from one place to another place. The hot wind carry a lot of sand with the severe sandstorm. The hot wind carry the sand. Small streams and underground water are natural sources of water in the region. They are the natural sources of water. Which are those? Underground water. Yes. So, surface form the spring. The land around the water bodies is fertile. The land around the water body is fertile. We can found some trees around that land. Those are bubble and cactus. These trees can be found around that water. And next, we can even see grasses also grown in this area. Such area of the desert with water and generally is called as oasis. Some underground water surface to form water body is known as oasis. Some underground water bodies is called underground water body surfaces is called as oasis. Yes? Yes. We have learned about landform and Next, we will move on to life in desert region of Rajasthan. How is the life in the desert region of Rajasthan? It is very hot. Life in the desert region of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is located in Western Thar Desert. Rajasthan is located in the Western Thar Desert and it is very hot and dry. It is very hot and dry because of the less water and food. Because of the less water, the people grow only few millets called as jawar, wheat and bajra. Yes, people grow few crops and it has very rocky sand. Yes, sand and rock. The desert is full of sand and rock. And in this region, only few people survive and there are only few cities like Jaipur, Udaipur and Jaisalmer, Chittorgarh. These are the few cities. Next, we will move on to population. 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 In this region, there is less population. Only few people stay in the desert region. Few people stay in the desert region. Why the few people stay in the desert region? Because of the shortage of food. Because of the shortage of food and water. Because of the shortage of food and water, the people move from one place to another place. People move from one place to other place. For the food and water. Yes, people move from one place to another place because of the shortage of water and food. The people who move from one place to other place are known as nomads. What are they known as? Nomads. The people who move from one place to another place are known as nomads. In the desert region, nomads are called as Banjaras. Nomads are called as Banjaras. People move from one place to other place are known as nomads. In the desert region, nomads are called as Banjaras. What are they called as? Banjaras. Okay, understood the population. Next, we will move to other topic, that is farming. The other topic is farming. The population is very less in the desert region, and people, for the shortage of food and water, they move from one place to another place. Such peoples are known as nomads, and in the Thar deserts, nomads are known as Banjaras. What are they known as? Banjaras. Next, we will move on to farming. In this area, farming are done where water is available. In this desert area, farming is done where water is available. Only in few places you can find water. And nowadays, they have made a dam named canal. They have made a canal named the Indira Gandhi Canal. It starts from Satluj river. Nowadays, in the desert, the government has made the Indira Gandhi Canal, which flows from the Satluj River, and it supplies water for the desert place where they grow many variety of crops. Yes, in this region, the land is very dry and sandy. In this region, the land is dry and sandy. So the agriculture is done where the water is available. The agriculture is done where the water is available. How means like a stream or underground water. Underground with the help of streams or underground water bodies. You call it as oasis. So nowadays they have made a canal named the Indira Gandhi Canal, from where it starts from the Satluj River, and in the desert region also the people grow a variety of mills like jawar, wheat, etc. Yes, in this region also they grow many mills like jawar, wheat and many more crops. And the camel is the most important animal in the desert. Camel is the most important animal in the desert. Camel is the most important animal in the desert. It is also known as sheep of the desert. It is also known as the sheep of the desert. It is also known as the sheep of the desert. Why? Because the camel can withstand with the heat of the sun. The camel can withstand the heat of sun. It has a padded feet. The camel has a padded feet. The leg of the camel feet is covered with the padded feet. It can survive without water and food for several days. The camel can survive without food and water for several days. The camel stores water in its humps. The camel stores water in its humps. Yes, and the camel stores water in its humps. Which is the important animal in the Thar desert? Yes, camel. And what is it called as in the desert? The sheep of the desert. It is also known as the sheep of the desert. And many people rear camel in the desert region and rear camel and cattle such as sheep, goat. Yes, and camel is also used for camel is also an important means of transportation in desert. Camel is also an important means of transportation in the desert region. Important means of transportation and it is also used for carrying goods. Camel is also used for carrying goods from one place to another place. Camel is used to carry goods from one place to another place. Yes, and pull carts. Pull the carts and to plough the field. Plough the field. And its milk and meat is served as food for the people. Milk and meat serves as food for people. Serves as food and food for people. Yes. Next, we will move on to, have you all understood farming? Yes. Which is the canal? What is the name of the canal that is supplied from the Satluj River basin? It is the Indira Gandhi Canal. And what is the ship known as? Camel known as in the Thar Desert? It is known as the ship of the desert. And for what purpose the camel is used for? It is used to carry goods from one place to another place and to plough the field, pull the carts, and it milk and meat is used to serve as food for people. Next, moving on to dresses. People in desert wear bright color dresses. Which type of dresses? Bright, colorful dresses. Both men and women wear the bright, colorful dresses. And they have a traditional dress. People of Rajasthan, traditional dress. Men wear dhoti, kurta and bright color turban that they roll on their head. Dhoti, kurta and bright turban. Next, women wear gagra, choli and odhni to cover their head. Odhni to cover their head. See here, dresses. Which type of dresses the people of Rajasthan wear? Bright, colorful dresses. They wear bright, colorful dresses, and the traditional dress of men is dhoti, kurta and bright turban. Bright turban. Women wear ghagra, choli and odhni to cover their head. Yes, have you all understood the traditional dress that the people of Rajasthan wear? Next, we will move on to language and festivals. Next, we will move on to language and festivals of people of Rajasthan. Language and festivals. The official language, languages of Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani. The official languages of Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani. Festival celebrated. Festivals celebrated. Which are the festivals celebrated in Rajasthan? They celebrate Holi, Eid, Diwali, Gangor and Peach. So, the languages and festivals of Rajasthan, the official language of Rajasthan are Hindi and Rajasthani. The festivals celebrated in Rajasthan are Holi, Eid, Diwali, Gangor and Peach. These are the festivals celebrated in the state of Rajasthan. Next, we will move on to tourism. Tourism is one of the important industry of the Rajasthan. So there are many tourist places in Rajasthan, and the most of the all over the world, the people come and visit the places like forts. Many forts are there in Rajasthan. Historical places are there, and many monuments are there in Rajasthan. Most of the people come to Jaisalmer during the desert festival. Most of the people come to Jaisalmer during desert festivals. And some of the tourist places are Hawa Mahal, Lake Palace, Jantar Mantar, these are in, where are these located? In Jaipur. Yes, these are the places located in Jaipur and Jaisalmer Fort. Sorry, Jaisalmer Fort in Jaisalmer and Jain temple. These are the some important tourist places that are located in the Rajasthan. And the city palace in Udaipur. These are some of the tourist places. Which are the tourist places? Hawa Mahal, Lake Palace, Jantar Mantar, Jaisalmer Fort, Jain Temple and City Palace. Yes, today what all we have learned? We have completed lesson number 4. In that we have learned location of the Western Desert, climate of the Western Desert, and vegetation of the Western Desert, landforms, life in the desert region of Rajasthan, population, farming, dress, languages and festivals, and tourism. So, in this today's session, we have completed lesson number 4, the Western Desert. Thank you. I hope you all have understood, and read the textbook. Read the lesson so that you will understand the better. So thank you. Have a nice day.